morning, dear viewers. It's me, Panawan Virapan, again. Today we're learning about pistol shrimps. A pistol shrimp is a shrimp in the entire crustacean family. That's so powerful. It's so loud, like a gunshot. It's by written its name, pistol shrimp. But how did it get this legacy? But first, let's look at its body. Because the pistol shrimp is literally a crustacean, like a normal shrimp. It has a big mega-sized claw that is like a pistol to shoot. Like it doesn't have bullets, but it sends a shockwave that kills its prey. Here's how it works. Literally, the claw, it's literally a plunger that sucks water in it. Next, when it snaps fast, it creates a cavitation bubble filled with vapor, and almost the temperature is even hotter than the sun. Then it collapses and creating a violent shock wave that kills its prey instantly. And it don't get along with other crustaceans like pistol shrimps, other pistol shrimps, yeah. I'm not talking about made stuff anymore. Yeah. And they fight about territory. Yeah, territory. Not dragonflies. Okay, that's it.